guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and we just got back from, where did we go? Walmart. We did the Walmart grocery pickup, and we got quite a few groceries, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what we got. I am still trying to figure out how much we need to get to do once a month grocery shopping again, so I am just kind of like trying to feel my way through how much we need. So this is sort of like a trial run, and then hopefully next month I'll be able to do once a month grocery shopping. So yeah, let's see what we got. So here is our big table full of stuff. Somebody is getting into the grapes, but yeah, let's go ahead and show everybody what we got, Audrey, so we can get the stuff put up. So we got some, this is Italian sausage for some potato soup that we're gonna do later. We got some smoked sausage. Cheese sticks for the kids' lunches and snacks. We've got bacon. Hang on a second. Honey ham for the kids' lunches. We've got grilled and ready chicken strips. I use these for my lunches a lot. We got some Sprites. Frozen broccoli florets. I'm totally out of frozen vegetables, so I got quite a few. We got 2 bags of green beans.
Blueberries.
2 bags of whole frozen blueberries. And we use these for oatmeal and smoothies. And also the kids just like to eat them. And we got a big bag of frozen mixed vegetables. And then I love these rice veggies. So we got just the regular cauliflower. We got 2 bags of those. And 2 bags of the cauliflower and sweet potato. And we also got a bag of sugar snap pea stir fry. Over here I got 2 vanilla almond milks. Heavy cream for my sausage and potato soup tonight.
Pomegranate.
Yeah, cran pomegranate juice because everybody really likes that.
Milk.
Orange juice. We have 3 whole milks.
Radish.
Oh, this is cabbage. This is Napa cabbage for corned beef and cabbage. St. Patrick's Day is Saturday, and we like to have corned beef and cabbage. We got some tomatoes just for salads and snacks. 4 things of cornbread mix. Oats. Yes, hang on. We got, these are Gala apples. The kids like those. I've got yellow cornmeal mix back there. I got 2 pounds of dried pinto beans because I use that to make my pinto beans and sausage. We got 2 packs of cream cheese. This is a snack that we will have in just a little bit. The kids love that. Bananas. What's underneath this cabbage, Audrey?
Onions.
We got white onions, red onions.
I'm like Ava.
Grapes, bananas, baby kale and spinach, Nutella, honey, saltine crackers, buttery round crackers. These are just quick, easy, like lunches. Beef and cheese taquitos. I needed some more chili powder, so I got some of that. This is a special treat for the kids for St. Patrick's Day. I got a big bag of Halos. Here's my corned beef. This is the kind of corned beef we use to make corned beef and cabbage. Some frozen chocolate chip pancakes for easy breakfast. Some breadsticks for tonight's soup. Some self-rising flour. Goldfish crackers. I got 4 of these muffin mixes because I use 2 each time I make muffins. So I got blueberry and wildberry. Back here I got the original Aunt Jemima pancake and waffle mix. This is the type of bread that we have. We still have some left, so I only got 1 loaf. We also have some in the freezer. Moving along, we're almost finished. I got 3 types of dressing. I got Italian dressing from Olive Garden. This Italian dressing. Hang on a second. And some ranch dressing. I got Go-Gurt for the kids. 2 12 packs of unsweetened applesauce. 18 eggs. Pack of waters. Pack of Capri Suns. And then my husband likes these Coca-Cola Zeros. And then 5-pound bag of chicken breast. So yeah, that is everything we got from Walmart. Walmart grocery pickup. Today's the day. Yeah, you need to get down.
Bye.
So yeah, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Oh.